Alright guys, I want to talk about the discussion post over the World Trade Center collapse and building construction. We were first asked what happened to cause the collapse of the World Trade Center buildings on 9/11/2001. So first to talk about the building construction, these buildings were tubular shaped. They were built to resist high winds and would also consider them advanced for their time. They had steel exterior walls and lightweight trusses for floors with concrete poured over top. And also that includes decking. So these buildings allowed easy egress routes for the occupants. They had elevators and stairs located in the middle of the buildings. But taking consideration of the actual collapse and the incident, we obviously have the planes, which were said to hit at about 400 miles per hour, which was taking consideration of what you would test a building of this size. I believe this situation was a lot more intense than what they predicted. When you're looking at the speed, the weight, heat, jet fuel, that was said to have a huge factor. All of these are a lot for a building of that size to handle. So we also, we know the outcome, but the steel basically began to sag when it was heated, as well as the lightweight trusses. And eventually ended up collapsing and buckling, and all those floors that were above basically came coming down and taking the building with it. So this is a very tragic moment in United States history, and definitely a big learning lesson for us. But so the second part of the question was enter into a research discussion on a construction failure. So as I just mentioned, I believe that this particular incident really helped us learn a lot about building construction and failure itself. I know nowadays you kind of see lightweight construction due to it being so inexpensive, but taking time to even money to put in more stable buildings can have a great long haul effect. So I also believe it's very important to learn as firefighters to see what type of construction and learn about them, and try to avoid any problems and hazards that could come if you're on scene and you notice anything and you're very educated on these type of constructions. It can be very helpful to you and your company. So yeah, that's really all I got. So thanks, guys.